Hi, I just wanted to record this quick little video. I looked for this information online and have trouble finding it. I had installed this Nest wired doorbell, the second generation, and I connected it to this Honeywell Home Series 9, the DW915S. And I used a wiring diagram that came with the Home Honeywell, pretty similar to this one that came with the Home Honeywell. You can see here, I'm actually in Europe. I did get this in the United States and brought it with me, but then I got the doorbell over here in Europe. But it still works pretty similar to this, with the exception of running this doorbell back to the transformer. I'll show you exactly what I did here. So here's my junction box. I've got the power coming out of the wall going to this transformer. That's my 230 going in at the top. Looks like I need to tighten that up a little bit. And you can see here I had the option of doing either 12 volt or 24 volt, and I actually ended up using both. You guys can tell me why this is wrong, but it's working for now. So the blue and red cable is powering the Google doorbell. This the blue red is going to the Google doorbell. The white is going to the Honeywell, and then there's two negatives. One is going, the brown is actually going directly to the Honeywell. It's the negative for the Honeywell. And then there's what ends up being the return of the circuit for the doorbell, and I'll show you that one in a second. So power into the Nest doorbell with the blue and red, into the Honeywell with the white, and then they both come back to the same negative. And this is my transformer that I got in Italy. All right, so let's take the blue and red, we'll follow that to the doorbell. All right, here's my Google doorbell. Just use these two little wire connectors. The blue and red is going into one of the connectors, and then I have that I just showed you, coming from that power transformer, and then this gray one is going to the chime. I'll show you that. Here's the back of the Honeywell. Technically, this is backwards from when you're looking at it. So this, where the brown is the AC2. This one next to it is the AC1. And then way over here is the doorbell A1. It's just, backwards because we're looking at it from the back because I have it connected to the doorbell. So and then this is, I only have the US version of this, which just came with 2 wires. I know that some of them in the EU come with 4 wires, or some older versions, but mine just came with 2. So I connected it. This gray wire is the one that you just saw on the doorbell coming in, going to the A1. And then I connected one wire from the Google Puck to that A1. I'll pop this off in a second at the end. Then this is the power from the transformer in that 12 volt setting going into AC1. Then this brown wire is let's call it the negative or the neutral. That is in AC2, and that's also where the second half of the puck is. So here, first I'll just ring the doorbell to show you that it works. Here's my Google doorbell. Oh, it senses me, it's recording. And there you go. It worked. And quickly, just to show you the wiring, hold on one second, I'm gonna set the phone down. Bear with me here. Just popping the back off of the Honeywell doorbell, so you can see exactly what this wiring I did was. There you go. I explained it earlier, so I'll just show you a photograph of it here, the image. That's how it looks from this side. The only other thing I did do when I connected the Google Nest doorbell, I set that I had an electronic chime, and I set it to 1 second. And that's it. The rest of it, through a little bit of trial and error, trying to be careful not to fry anything. I would love to hear from you guys if there's something I did wrong. I do have one other thing that I'll show you really quick that just is weird. And you guys can tell me if this is odd. For some reason, with my transformer, when I measure the voltage, it's supposed to be my 24 volts. Here and here. It's about 30. So I don't know if that's gonna burn something out over time or not, but just if you're looking for an exact transformer match, this might not be it. The 15 volt one, that works really good. That's right around 14, 15. That one's not a problem. But yeah, for some reason, the one that's supposed to be 24 comes in at 30. So I'd love it if you guys know that that's gonna be a problem. I would love it if you put it in the comments. Thanks.